Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's YouTube channel here. I have a 2023 LT Malibu. Just arrived off the truck. I grabbed the keys before the service department did, so I can get inside it. So I'm going to apologize now. It's still going to have all the plastic on it. This one is like I already said, 2023 LT Malibu, MSRP $29,800. We are honoring GM Employee and Supplier pricing. This one, the upgraded features include the 18-inch bright machined aluminum wheels. It's going to have the black bow ties that are going to be dealer installed. It's going to, and here's the window sticker. I know some people complained that I didn't get close enough in the past for those, and I understand that complaint, and I'm trying to work on that. Also going to have the all-weather floor liners, also dealer installed, so they're not in there yet. This Riverside blue metallic, I gotta talk to the manufacturers. They come up with the strangest names for darker blue, or I guess this might be considered more of a royal blue, but they call it Riverside blue metallic. We're gonna get inside here in a second, talk about a couple of the interior features. Last thing I want to talk about, as gas prices have jumped randomly to $3.35 again across the street. This one gets 27 city, 35 highway. It's about a little bit better than my Equinox, and I do miss that few miles per gallon. Not as much as when it was $4+ a gallon not too long ago. As you can see, that's why I normally don't jump in here. You still got all the plastic on everything. Take a quick picture. This one currently has 1 mile on it. It'll end up with about 5 after our service department does their quick test drive, make sure everything is functional. Still in transport mode, so can't even be test driven yet until the technician takes it out of that. You got your touchscreen radio. You're going to have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the ability to stream your music through there, your ability to run Waze or Google Maps. Why you would do Google Maps instead of Waze, I don't know. I like to know where the cops are and whether there's going to be traffic jams. And last of all, this one is going to have the heated front seats, as you can see there. Not that I need it today. Randomly in the 60s again here in Ohio in early January. I will have a link below with more information. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 513-932-0303. Thank you and have a great day.